Okay, guys. Google is not typing. Wait. Guys, don't add me in all that. This is my account. I have 100 pending. So right now I'm broke. Many people say, please donate me, please donate me. And even though thank you for me, they mean to me. They say, I don't wanna say. It's bad word. But okay. In English. Like dumb. Yes. I am friendly. Okay, little friendly. Little mean. Yes. For my subscribers, I'm gonna give one of these. This. Blood kiwi. One of blood kiwi. 4 things. But don't steal my turtle. Okay? Comment if you want I recorded. Tanan tanatan. You want to show my carrots? I don't really think. Okay, yes, na. Wait, how much? How much money? 10 million. Yes, 10 million. 10 million. What is so? Ah, what is this? I gotta check. I want to hear. It's shock. Yes, this is my window. Wait, wait, wait. Wait. I think it's. Oh, I want to hear more. Rainbow, this shock. Yes! I need choco. Yeah. It's been. Wait. It's been weeks. And I have no choco. It's celestial. Yeah. Yeah. I have who wants rainbow? Comment guys. Tanan. And join me. Okay? Join me. So I give you rainbow open. Anything you want for my subscribers. I'm not copycat. People say I'm bully. Little. I mean, people say I suck. They bully me, but I bully you. Little bit, but I donate. I just pranking you. I said, stop yapping. Let's continue. Perfect. I don't have chicken jockey. I live for the update. Sorry. I think that is chicken. Zombie chicken is that. I have lightning rod. I forgot to put. I'm just gonna collect things. Okay. Look at I have so many bases. You want? I have 87 bases. One anvil. Advanced thinker is 20. Godly. I have. Okay. Wait. Godly. 3. Master thinker. 2. I need one of those. I'm not gonna. I don't know. I got mango. I got one mango for my pet dog. How to get it? Just click common egg, not uncommon. The white one, not the blue one. That's your egg. This is the rooster. It can help you to hatch faster, like kiwi. That's the dog or golden lab, not the bunny. It's gonna eat your carrot. Oy, bamboo seed. Okay, I take that. Why a Okay, give me one. Give me one. Don't, no. It's half time. You need to get that. Like this. Yes. I plant the beanstalk. Yeah. Chill, what? Chill. I have so. What? Okay. I hate carrot. I need carrot. Mm, why the admin not chatting? Admin! Chat me! Chat! Admin is so quiet today. Go agad ikaw sa vlog. Yes. Another ka. Baby. Admin. 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 Elsa. Elsa. Another ka. I don't know why it's so lucky if I hatching pets. It's almost update. The bees update. Watch the video. You know slat. Watch slat. Watch the update. I need more blossom. Those so mint moonflower. Bye bye guys, I'm gonna upload. Okay. Bye bye. We gonna play my brother or not. First my bugs. Fine, I'm gonna stay here. This takes 13 minutes. 13! Almost there! Why these things are stuck? That's apple seed. That is not super seed. That's apple seed. Don't waste Roblox. I mean Robux. If you see super seed, it's gonna plant carrot or carrot and bamboo and mushroom at orange tulip. I mean tulip, daffodil seed, watermelon pumpkin. That's why don't if you see the super seed, don't buy it or buy it. But will you sell that? Your mom gonna ground me. It's not ground. Okay guys, stop yapping. Mm. Cosmetic. If you see giant cactus and giant dragon fruit. That's me, and the apple is here. Hibisco one and moon melon. I mean moon mango and that giant beanstalk. That's me. Okay? Wait, I want to climb. I hope I'm not gonna collect that beanstalk. Giant beanstalk one. Yes, sir. Okay, it's so tall. Why is so tall? It's so tall. Why I plant that one? Don't know. Yeah. Climb! Climb! Yes. I find. No! Because I'm too laggy. Wait. I have techniques. Yes. Yes. I need to climb. I need to move. Wait. See? This giant one. Okay. I need bamboo. Yes. I want to eat now. Bye bye, guys. Or we're gonna end this. See you for part 3. Wait, wait. Okay. L-Stock. L-Stock. See you for part 3. Subscribe for more.